How would you hear any sound if you were inside one of those galactic gas clouds? Well, sound is a pressure wave moving through a medium, such as gas. You hear me now because sound is moving through air and electronically through wires and then through air to vibrate your eardrums. And so gas clouds, however, are very thin. Very thin. You might remember this. I don't know. In physics class, if you had physics, you might have done it in chemistry. You have a ringing bell and you put it in a jar. Then you suck the air out of the jar. And as you do that, the bell is still ringing, but then you can't hear it. It gets dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. And then you just see this clattering and you don't hear anything. Well, the density of air that you've evacuated inside that jar is about the density of these gas clouds. In fact, it's probably much more. So, no, you're not going to hear it. You're not. It's not. The energy contained in the vibrating molecules is so low that your eardrum is not going to do it. What you have to do is we can say there is a pressure wave moving through. Let us convert it to something we can hear and then see what that would sound like. And typically that's what we do to get you to get an acoustic sense of what's going on in the universe. I don't have a problem with that. Just don't confuse it with thinking that if you were there, you'd be listening to the cloud, because that ain't what's happening.